Hello friends, I am Dr. Sunidhi Garg and I secured a rank of 6.8K in NEET PG 2024. What makes my journey special is my progress from a rank of 24K in May INI to 6.8K in NEET PG. Well, I began my preparation during internship with whatever time I could spare during my postings, and I started with the Marrow main notes, and I took a whole year to complete those notes. But I still could not complete the QBank whole. Then, as I completed my internship, I started with Marrow revision notes and with INI set as my deadline. Until INI, I had done only one reading of the revision notes and one reading of BTR. But that was not sufficient, and worst comes to worst, I got a rank of 24,000 in May INI, which was a big shocker and a teaching lesson. Well, then I discussed my strategy with my parents. I watched some videos to get a better idea of what I was doing wrong. And finally, my father suggested me to give more tests, and my mom motivated me to not lose hope and keep going. So I analyzed what I was doing wrong and I made three major changes in my strategy. The first one was I started giving GPs every third to fourth day and I revised them on the same day and I started analyzing my weaker subjects better. Second, I added bonus BTR to my schedule and I did multiple revisions of BTR as well as bonus BTR, which was definitely lacking. Third, I solved more and more MCQs in the form of PYQs, subject-wise test, and mini test, which are given very nicely in Marrow. And the main part was revising those. I bookmarked the wrong ones and I redid those PYQs until there were zero bookmarked PYQs. Well, I had done all that when at 10:30 p.m. one night before the exam, I got a call from a friend that the exam had been postponed. Life came to a halt again because I was physically and mentally exhausted. So I cried for some time, decided to watch Lapata Ladies, and I slept that night off. After a break of 2 days, eventually we had to start again, but we had no deadline in mind. So it was really very difficult to sit again and redo all of that. But eventually, I made a strategy, I made a schedule again by keeping my weaker subjects in mind. And I started with sitting for just 6 hours because that was difficult even then. And then further, slowly and slowly, it increased to 8 to 10. And eventually, I came back to my older routine of 13 to 15 hours. Till that time, I had realized that I was still solving less questions. So I started doing 100 to 200 questions daily in the morning. And that really helped me a lot with active passive reading of BTR in the evening and along with my revision notes. So I finally took the exam on 11th of August and on 23rd August, the result came. I got a rank of 6.8K, which was a major improvement and I was really happy about it. Everything fell into place, the late nights, the early mornings, the headaches. So thank you for listening. That's my journey and stay tuned for the next video.